I'm not gonna lie, Finalmouse doesn't have the best reputation when it comes to build quality, so when the state of my ULX got to the point that it was unusable, I had to do something. I decided that it's time to send it for a warranty repair, but sending it to US wasn't as easy for me being from Slovakia, so let's see how it went. First off, what was wrong with the mouse? Unfortunately, even for how much this mouse costs, not only after 6 months of not even regular usage, the mouse buttons were absolutely done. This is how they looked and sounded like. It was not in shape for use nor sale, so I had two options. First, I can tear it down and try to repair it myself, or second, send it for a warranty repair. Obviously, you know which option I chose, but here comes the problem. I sent Finalmouse a message, everything went smooth, even their response time was pretty good, but I found out that in Slovakia we don't have FedEx, so they are unable to create a return label for me, and I would have to send it across the world myself. But fortunately, they offered me to reimburse me up to $35 for the shipping. Honestly, it wasn't the worst thing in the world, but I wasn't exactly sure about sending it myself, so I contacted my friend in Czech Republic where they have FedEx, and we arranged the shipping from there. At this point, everything looked promising. I sent them the new address, they sent back the return label, my friend handed it over to FedEx, and it was time to start waiting. Or at least that's what I thought. Just to remind you, this was just a regular warranty repair shipment, and it got from Czech Republic to US in only 4 to 5 days. It was really mind-blowing, and what was even more mind-blowing was that they had received the mouse on the 27th of August, and on the 29th of August I already had tracking for the repaired mouse. Do you understand what that means? They could have taken all the time in the world to repair the mouse, and it only took them less than 2 days. I'll show you a bit later in the video if the mouse actually got repaired, but for now, we are at the point that everything I had to do was wait. Unfortunately, not everything went as smooth as the first time. After 2 days, FedEx tracking showed that the package should already be in Czech Republic. Same was after 3, 4, or even 7 days. But everything changed when on the 8th day I checked the tracking and it was showing US again. Of course, the first thing I thought is that they sent the mouse back, what am I gonna do, blah blah blah. So I sent my friend a message, I sent Finalmouse a message, I was in panic mode, but fortunately everything that was wrong was the FedEx's tracking, and it was wrong the whole time. The package hasn't left the US facility since day one. I have to say though that Finalmouse's support was always very helpful, and even when I sent them this message, they still kept on trying to help as much as they could. After all of this, after waiting almost 2 weeks for the mouse to come back, we have it here. And now comes the most important question: is the mouse actually repaired? Fortunately, even after hearing so many horror stories about Finalmouse, the repair is pretty good. Left click unfortunately still has some amount of grinding, but it's perfectly usable and at least 80% better than it was before, and right click now has 0 problems. So, if I had to sum up the whole experience dealing with Finalmouse's support or repair, or sending the mouse over, I'm pretty satisfied. Aside from the FedEx tracking issue, what I asked of them they repaired, and the whole process of sending it there and getting it back cost me 0 cents. So, even after hearing all of these horror stories, I have to for once give props to Finalmouse. And of course, a special thanks to my friend who helped me. If you have any experience dealing with them, write it in the comments. If you liked the video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you again in the next one. Bye!